This is Veena from Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel. Today we are making a Goan Dry Prawn Curry with raw mango called Samarachi Kodi. Though made more often during the monsoons when fresh seafood is scarce, this flavourful Goan curry is also prepared for a traditional pre-wedding dinner called bikrean jevonn. Today's curry can also be made with a mix of dried and fresh prawns, but I'm going to make it with just dried prawns and raw mango slices, traditionally thrown in to add a zing to it. Okay, now let's dive straight into making some tangy and moderately hot Samarachi Kodi right here at Cake. We'll start by cleaning the prawns. Let's pinch off the pointed part of the head, then the legs and the tail. I'll now wash the prawns and then soak them in some warm water for around half an hour. We also have to soak a tiny ball of tamarind in warm water to extract tamarind pulp. In the meanwhile, let's peel and slice a medium-sized raw mango. I am making this curry from scratch, the way my mother made it. So let's check out the spices we'll dry roast. We need 1.5 cups of grated fresh coconut for this curry, half a cup to dry roast for the masala or curry paste, and 1 cup to extract 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Now let's dry roast the spices on low heat, beginning with the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds. See that you don't burn the spices. We'll roast these for a couple of minutes till they just start changing color. Let's transfer these to a bowl and dry roast the rest of the spices on low heat, like before. Next, we'll roast the grated coconut for 3 to 4 minutes till it starts browning. If you're wondering about the name of this curry, it is believed to have come from Samarde, the name of a wooden spice box that was a fixture in Goan kitchens once upon a time. This is just a rough representation of the old circular spice boxes. I'm not sure if we have any real specimens from the olden days. This is done. I'll let it cool a little and then transfer it to a grinder jar along with the other roasted spices for preparing the curry masala or paste. To prepare the masala, we'll also add in a 1-inch piece of ginger that I've already sliced, 6 cloves of garlic that I've chopped, 2 teaspoons of regular chili powder. In place of this, you could use 3 to 4 Kashmiri or any other variety of dried chilies, which you could have dry roasted with the other spices earlier on, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll grind all of this with a little water. To the hot oil, let's now add 2 medium-sized onions sliced lengthwise. We'll saute them on medium heat till they start browning. I squeezed the excess water from the soaked prawns and will now saute these too. Time to add in the masala. I rinsed the grinder jar with a little water and will stir this in too. Now let's mix in the raw mango slices and half a cup of water. I'll cover the vessel, reduce the heat to low, and let the curry cook for around 10 minutes. Let's stir in the tamarind extract and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Actually, I also added 2 teaspoons of sugar after this, but didn't realize my camera wasn't on. Instead of sugar, you could also add grated jaggery. The sugar or jaggery will help balance all the flavors of the curry. Finally, we'll add in the coconut milk. Now it's time to sample the curry and add any extra salt, sugar or chili powder according to your taste. I think the curry needs just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, nothing else. Our tasty prawn curry with raw mango is now ready to be served. I'll add a sprig of coriander leaves as a garnish. You could enjoy the fragrant curry with steamed rice or mop it up with some delicious Goan pav or bread rolls. Do make this curry in your own kitchen and savor the authentic taste of Samarachi Kodi with your loved ones, okay?